Grayson and Phil here for Millennial Media, and today we're going to be showing you how to create a LinkedIn business page. So first of all, you're going to want to go ahead and follow the link that we put here on the screen. And you're just going to go ahead and fill in all your information here. And I suggest keeping your username similar to your Facebook or your Instagram name as well. And I also suggest go ahead and uploading your logo as well, so that way your brand can stay cohesive. And we're going to go ahead and create our page here. And as you can see here, we have a specific pixel size that is recommended. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our Canva here, and we're going to go ahead and click on the header photo that we're going to be using. And you just want to go ahead and scale it out, just like we're doing here. Just the brightness and the blur a little bit, so that way the background kind of blends in, so that way we have a nice area to put our logo on top of. And then we're going to go ahead and grab our logo and put it on top there. And we're downloading it in the proper dimensions specified by LinkedIn. We're going to go ahead and upload it. So now we've got our header photo. You can position your header photo however you'd like. And it's also important to go ahead and update every bit of information on your LinkedIn profile, like your tagline, just so that way people that are visiting your profile can kind of get a quick idea of what your company stands for and what your objectives are. It's also important to specify your specialties that your businesses actually work on. And we're just going to go ahead and just write something out really quickly here. We're a marketing and advertising agency. And this is going to change, depending on your niche or your industry. So, just get creative and be relevant. So next we're going to go ahead and specify the location of our business. You've now officially created your first business LinkedIn page.